Wow! Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello and welcome back to my new video. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are gonna make Doraemon stickers. So I have posted community poll. I have given you two options. So you all have voted for Doraemon stickers. So we are gonna make Doraemon stickers at home in very few steps, and it's so easy to make, and they are gonna look like market stickers. So let's get started. तो यहाँ मैंने ड्राइंग अपनी कर ली थी. अब इसको हम लोग आउटलाइन करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लैक पेन. मैं यहाँ जेल पेन यूज़ कर रही हूँ, वाटर प्रूफ. इफ़ यू आर न्यू ऑन माई चैनल, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and press the notification bell, so whenever I upload new video you'll get the notification. And comment down, do you like my videos or not, and also share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to press the like button. Now my outlining is done, so now we have to color it. So I'm using alcohol markers. Comment down which one is your favorite gadget. So mine favorite is bamboo copter and anywhere door. Now the next step is to put sellotape on it because it gives you a shine and it makes the sticker waterproof. putting tape on it, we have to cut it very carefully. Now I have cutted all the stickers. Look at this, how messy my table is now. So I'll clean it later. Now we need name slip. You can use any type of name slip. So we have to stick our stickers on it with the help of glue. So I am gonna use this Fevicol. All the stickers are stick on name slip. Now we have to cut it individually. Sticker is ready, and look at this, how beautifully it's peeling off and so sticky. So now we have to cut all this. Our self-adhesive stickers are ready now. You can use this homemade stickers on your notebook, school book, on your water bottle or anything to make it pretty. I hope you all like my homemade stickers. They are easy to make and look beautiful. So if you like my video, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. So whenever I post new video, you'll get the notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.